And with this same presence, begin to find something in your space, a natural element like a stone or a leaf, your walls, your floors, or simply the air around you. Continue to trace its skin, noticing the textures, the patterns. Become conscious of the presence of this life form, as each presence has a story to share. Begin to dance with it. Shape-shifting your home temple into a dance temple, coming into energetic relationship with all the elements around you. The fire, the earth, the air, ether, and the waters is all here to move and cleanse your emotional bodies from the inside out. Hearts wide open as we dance under this moon.